What up, everybody? Y'all already know what it do, man. It's your boy, Metro. Metro Miguel. Hey, how y'all doing today, man? I'm super excited to bring y'all this amazing device. Happy New Year's, everybody. It is officially 2021, so it's only right I'll bring y'all a new phone. You heard me right, guys. This is the OnePlus Nord N10 5G. OnePlus Nord N10 5G. Y'all heard me right, man. Yeah, 5G. Super fast, farther internet connection, stronger internet connection with the 5G reception, guys. Super excited about it, man. Let's unbox this phone. Thank you guys for checking it out. Make sure y'all leave your comments below right here. Leave your comments right there below. Let me know what y'all think about the OnePlus N10. I like the box alone, the labeling. Says N10 here. Here's the OnePlus logo. If you guys haven't seen that, this is actually my first unboxing by OnePlus. So let's go over some of the specs of the phone. So first and foremost, guys, this phone is 128 gigabytes of memory, 6 gigabytes of RAM. That alone, memory alone, crazy. Memory and 5G. All right, so inside the box here, we have our little sleeve here. This is going to be our literature with our startup guide. We're also going to have the phone. Here's our phone here. We'll come back to that in just a second. There's another sleeve here. This is going to be our USB Type-C charging port. I like the color too. It's like a red USB Type-C charging port. And we're going to have our wall adapter as well with the signature OnePlus logo on there. Really cool stuff, guys. Super excited about it. Like I said, full retail price on this beast is going to be $299. But we do have an amazing promotion right now for our customers. So on a new line with a valid ID, you start a new account with a new phone number with a valid ID. Guess what, guys? You're going to save $230. You heard me right. This beautiful device by OnePlus, the N10, will only be, you ready? You ready? $69 for a new line. We also got a promotion for our loyal customers. So if you're an existing customer, we got something just for you too. Guess what? Instead of paying $299, you're going to save $100, so you'll only pay $199 for this device. And last but not least, before we go into this beautiful phone, for our switchers, we're going to have this device for, guess what? Take a wild guess. Switch over to Metro by T-Mobile, get this phone for $0. You heard me right, for free. You get this amazing device, guys. So it's going down real crazy. Let's turn on this phone. This is the OnePlus N10 5G. So I'm turning it on here. Here's the front of the screen there. Check us out, guys. So like I said here, we're going to have our power button here. We're also going to have the volume up and volume down keys. Here's going to be our USB Type-C charging port. There's our surround sound speakers, noise cancellation mic, and a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. A lot of the standard features here on the back, guys. We're going to have a 64 megapixel quadruple rear camera system. Look at that. 64 megapixel quadruple rear camera system. There's going to be a 8 megapixel camera and a 2 megapixel camera on the back as well, with another 2 megapixel rear camera here, okay? We're also going to have the LED flash and a fingerprint reader. Yes, 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 guys, you heard me right. So on the front here, we're also going to have a 16 megapixel front facing camera. Yes, guys, this phone is packing a great punch. Yes, this phone is packing a great punch, guys. I'm super excited about it. And like I said, guys, we got the promo prices for you. Switch over, you'll get a $300 beautiful 64 megapixel quadruple rear camera system. What? With the fingerprint reader. What? with the 16 megapixel front facing camera. What? 5G. What? 128 gigs. It's going down, y'all. Make sure y'all check this out. Leave your comments below. Let me know what y'all think about the OnePlus Nord 10 5G. Now, I'm going to get it to the main screen here, guys. Accept, skip, agree, and continue. Just going to get it to the main screen so you guys can see what it looks like for everyday use. All right. So, skip through here, skip through here, skip through here. I really like it, guys. The finish on it is like a very nice shiny. This is like a midnight blue metallic finish on the device. I really like it. It's very classy. Next here. It's asking about a lot of different features. I'll probably upload an additional video going through a lot of the features. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of stuff this phone can do. Let's see here. Starts here. Swipe inward. Swipe inward from left or right of the edge to go back. Well done. Swipe up to get to the main screen. So it pretty much teaches you how to move around. Swipe from the bottom edge of the screen to pause. Let's see here. Back, swipe inward, reset. Swipe up from the bottom edge of the screen to pause. Home, swipe up. Okay, start. All right, so it's pretty much teaching me how to move around on the phone here. See how it's kind of swiping over there? So we're going to swipe inward from the right. Done. Swipe up from the bottom of the edge of the screen. Done there. And swipe up from the bottom of the camera. Swipe up from the bottom edge of the screen and pause. Let's see here. Boom. Boom, got that done there. Well done. And it says the setup is complete. So it'll have you go through some gestures like swiping from the left, swiping from the right, swiping down from the bottom of the screen, so you can get familiar with the different gestures of how to navigate on this wonderful phone. Here we go, guys. This is the OnePlus Nord 10 5G. 64 megapixel quadruple rear camera system, LED flash, fingerprint reader, 16 megapixel front facing camera. Man, 128 gigabytes of memory, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 5G network compatibility. This video was brought to you by Unlimited Wireless. We are an authorized dealer partnered with Metro by T-Mobile. Thanks for watching.